Here's a quick Arduino setup we've made in our office. As you can see, this is the Arduino itself. It has Y shields and sensors for temperature and light. There's also sensors on the coffee machine and on the fridge. This is the air application that we've made. Basically it connects to the Sense API and it retrieves the data from the sensors and displays them. Okay, we're going to show you a quick demo with a coffee machine here. Basically what happens is the sensor determines the amount of time that the coffee is poured and then uses that time to calculate what type of coffee you selected. So for example, a short interval would be an espresso, medium is long, and then a long time interval equals an Americano. So here we've selected the espresso, and as it's pouring, you'll see that the Arduino itself is actually going to receive and then send the data to Sense. There it goes. And now we'll see the data updating
The person
in real
who
time.
just had an espresso seems like a very busy person. Keep working hard, Mr.
And now we'll see that the number of coffees will update in the air application as well. Okay, now we also have some sensors hooked up to the fridge. Basically what happens here is that the sensor records the amount of time that the fridge door is open, and you'll see that the Arduino will push that data to Sense. Here it is populating in the Sense river. 5.5 seconds and 30-second time that the fridge door was open, and you'll see in the air application as well it's been updated to reflect that too. So the total number of minutes the fridge door was open was 6.69 today. Also, if we leave the door open for an extended period of time, we can set up a warning system based on the length of time the fridge door is open. So we'll see that here, once we've passed a certain threshold, the application will warn us that the fridge door is open.
Attention please, the refrigerator door has been open for more than 10 seconds. Please close it. Refrigerator door has now been open for 20 seconds. Please consider the energy you are wasting.
And now we'll see the final warning just momentarily. So here you can see the
Fridge door was left open for 40 seconds. An email was sent to administration for further actions.
And that's it. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the device behind the scenes here on Sense and go into the Squiddy device, which is what we just demoed. You can see the feeds and the Sense river of the device here. And on the left there's a list of apps using this device. And we'll go check out the coffee app. Basically this is using the conditional brancher, and it branches depending on the type of coffee you use. Now we'll go into the fridge application, and you can see that we've set up a warning there, such that it sends an email alert out to various users once it's been, depending on the time limit that the fridge has been open. Here's the real-time Sense river of all of your devices, so you can see what's happening on the platform. And here are your Sense meters. So they're the visual representation of activity that's happening on the platform. And you can open up the coffee Sense meter and see the amount of coffees that have been drank during the day and the different types.